Hello Year 6, this is Lesson 5 of your 2-week unit where you are writing a letter in roll. And today is Friday. Now, because you're going to be writing a letter in roll, I'm going to tell you now about who you'll be writing as. You're going to be writing as the old man at the time when he was much younger, when he was fighting in World War One. So it's that clip where you saw him with the army uniform on when he was a medic. But to do this and to do it effectively, you're going to have some background knowledge of World War One. I'm not going to go into too much of great detail because you won't need detail, but you just need to know what World War One was about and a bit about what it was like to be a soldier there. So today you're going to find out a bit more about World War One. Now, there are 3 clips that I want you to watch, and I've put the links for you on your task sheet for the day. So you'll be finding out what and where was World War One with this clip. You'll find out what a trench is with this clip, and you only need to watch the first few minutes of this one up till about 1 minute 55, I think it was. So just till you find out what a trench is like. And then I want you here to find out what it's like living and fighting in a trench, because this is going to be really important for you for when you write your letter home, because you're going to be writing as the soldier, writing a letter back to his family. I've also included a knowledge organizer, which might also add some extra information and answer for some of the technical words that are related to war, that will give you an explanation that might help you understand what's going on a bit more. But certainly I don't want you going off and doing any more research on World War One. It's just these 3 clips and the knowledge organizer will give you enough information that you need to do your letter writing. When you are watching these, I have sent you a census sheet for you to fill in. Again, we did one of these in Pompeii and it was very useful for you. It will be very useful for when you do your letter writing. Now, some of you will have a census sheet showing all the 5 censuses. Some of you will only have it with 2 of the censuses. But I would recommend that you complete this while you're watching the films so that you can really get a good idea of what you would hear and see and smell and taste and touch as a soldier in World War One, living and fighting in the trenches. Okay, when you have completed your research, I'd like you to restart this video, restart the lesson, and your final task today, Year 6, with that research that you've got, I want you to show your thoughts, what a soldier would be thinking and feeling. So yellow, green and blue, you've got 3 different tasks each of you. So yellow group, I've enclosed a say, feel, think sheet for you to show me how you as a soldier would be thinking and feeling fighting in World War One, using the information from the research that we've given you. Green group, using the thought bubble that I've sent you, I want you to clearly show what you, as a soldier living in the trenches, would be thinking and feeling, because this is what you're going to convey back to your family at home about what your life is like. So this is really going to set you up well if you do it clearly and effectively. Blue group, I want you to clearly show through the use of descriptive language what you, as a soldier, would be thinking and feeling when living in the trenches. So there's your 3 different tasks, yellow, green and blue group. I would like you to complete those tasks, and when you have done so, I would like you to go back and do the editing station 1 that we use in school, where for the non-negotiables, check your spelling, does it make sense, is the punctuation in the correct place. When you've done all that, you will have completed today's lesson. So, well done Year 6, and don't forget to send it in to your class teacher at the end of the day.